Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase fluency with Rosetta Stone, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your fluency with Rosetta Stone, start by setting clear language goals. Determine your reasons for learning the language. Whether for travel, work, or personal enrichment, knowing your motivation will guide your learning process. Next, select the appropriate language level in Rosetta Stone. If you're a beginner, start with the foundational lessons. For those with prior knowledge, take the placement test to find your starting point. Consistency is key in language learning. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice. Even 15 to 30 minutes daily can yield significant progress over time. Engage actively with the lessons. Interact with the speech recognition feature to improve your pronunciation. Repeat phrases aloud and mimic the intonation of native speakers. Utilize Rosetta Stone's immersive learning approach fully. Try to think in the target language rather than translating in your head. This will help you develop a more natural flow when speaking. Incorporate additional resources alongside Rosetta Stone. Listen to music, watch movies, or read books in your target language. This exposure will enhance your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Practice with native speakers whenever possible. Consider using language exchange platforms or local meetups. Speaking with others will build your confidence and fluency. Record yourself speaking to assess your progress. Listening to your pronunciation can highlight areas for improvement. Review previous lessons periodically. Repetition helps reinforce what you've learned and solidifies your fluency. Be patient and celebrate your progress along the way. Language learning is a journey, and every step counts toward fluency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.